Linux in 2025 is faster, sleeker, and more customizable than ever. But with so many desktop environments, which one deserves your screen time? Whether you're reviving an old PC, craving macOS-level polish, or just want a futuristic workflow, we've tested them all. Here are the top 5 Linux environments of 2025. And trust us, number 1 will change how you see Linux forever. Let's dive in. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Number 5. LXQt 2.0, the lightweight champion. If raw speed and efficiency are your top priorities in 2025, LXQt 2.0 stands out as the undisputed lightweight champion of Linux environments. Designed to run flawlessly even on decade-old hardware, it consumes a fraction of the RAM and CPU power of heavier alternatives, yet doesn't sacrifice usability. The modular architecture means you can keep it lean for maximum performance, or spice it up with customizable widgets and panels. Recent upgrades like smoother Qt 6 integration, fractional scaling for 4K screens, and touchpad gesture support prove LXQt is far from a relic. It's a modern, adaptable powerhouse. Whether you're reviving an aging laptop, optimizing a productivity rig, or just hate desktop bloat, LXQt 2.0 delivers a snappy, clutter-free experience that stays out of your way while letting you get work done. Speed freaks, this one's for you. Number 4. Budgie 11, the elegant hybrid. Budgie 11 emerges in 2025 as Linux's best-kept secret, a desktop environment that masterfully blends Windows-like familiarity with macOS-level refinement. Built on GNOME technologies, but forging its own identity, Budgie's standout feature remains its ingenious Raven sidebar, your one-stop hub for notifications, media controls, and system settings that slides in gracefully without disrupting workflow. The 2025 refresh brings exciting upgrades. A redesigned Arc menu with intelligent app categorization, buttery smooth Wayland support for next-gen display performance, and adaptive transparency that automatically adjusts based on your wallpaper. What truly sets Budgie apart is its philosophy. Every feature serves a purpose, with no unnecessary bloat. The clean, intuitive layout makes it perfect for Linux newcomers, while power users will appreciate the deep customization options hidden beneath its polished surface. For those who want productivity and elegance in equal measure, Budgie 11 delivers both without compromise. Can you guess which DE made Windows users switch to Linux in 2025? The answer will surprise you. Watch part 1. Number 3. Deepin DE23, the showstopper. Deepin Desktop Environment 23 redefines what's possible for Linux aesthetics in 2025, offering what might be the most visually sophisticated open-source interface available today. This Chinese-developed environment combines macOS-inspired elegance with Windows-like practicality, featuring a stunning dynamic blur effect throughout its interface and the smoothest animations you'll find in any Linux DE. The intelligent auto-hiding dock and context-aware global menu system create an exceptionally clean workspace, while 2025's breakthrough AI window manager learns your work patterns to suggest optimal app layouts, like having a personal assistant for your desktop. While it demands more system resources than minimalist environments, Deepin justifies it with polish that rivals proprietary OSs. Recent optimizations have significantly improved performance, making it viable for mid-range hardware. Perfect for designers, content creators, or anyone who believes open-source software shouldn't compromise on beauty. Deepin 23 will make you do a double take. Is this really Linux? Number 2. Mate 1.28, the retro rebel for Linux veterans who missed the golden age of computing. Mate 1.28 delivers the perfect blend of nostalgia and modern functionality in 2025. This faithful continuation of the classic GNOME 2 desktop has matured into something truly special, retaining that rock-solid stability and legendary efficiency. It runs smoothly on a potato, while adding contemporary essentials like seamless fractional scaling for 4K displays and touchpad gesture support. The ultra-customizable dual-panel layout lets you recreate your perfect 2000-era workflow or modernize it with applets and widgets. Under the hood, Mate now supports Wayland, while keeping X11 for purists, and includes subtle quality-of-life improvements, like smarter window snapping. Whether you're a sysadmin needing a distraction-free environment, a minimalist who values performance over flashy effects, or just someone who appreciates timeless design done right, Mate 1.28 proves good design never goes out of style. It just gets better with age. Number 1. Enlightenment EFL 1.27. The speed demon in Enlightenment EFL 1.27 in 2025 redefines what a Linux desktop can be. It's not just an environment, but a showcase of Linux's limitless potential. This lightweight yet visually stunning desktop delivers 60 frames per second animations even on single-board computers, thanks to its optimized Enlightenment Foundation libraries. The revolutionary Everything File Manager combines system search, app launching, and file browsing into one lightning-fast interface. What truly sets Enlightenment apart is its modular design. Want a compositor, clipboard history, or system monitor? Just enable the modules you need. With touchscreen support and VR-ready compositing, it's pushing boundaries while maintaining legendary efficiency. For tinkerers who want both retro charm and cutting-edge features, Enlightenment offers the most customizable, future-proof experience in Linux today. So guys, from lightweight LXQt to eye-popping Deepin, Linux in 2025 has something for everyone. Which one's your favorite? Fight about it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We've got a ton more Linux content coming your way. Stay tuned.